Cenedl fach ydy Cymru, ond bob ryw hyn, i ni'n magu cawr. He was going to make us proud. Well, you made us all proud, Steffan. Proud of you, proud to have known you, to have called you friend and colleague. You made us proud to be Welsh.
He was, as you all know, a thoughtful, sensitive and committed individual.
Llywydd, every parliament should have a Steffan. We're just very sad that we've lost ours. He will be sorely missed on all sides of this chamber.
And my thoughts go out to his family at this very distressing time. But I hope that they shall find solace in his very considerable achievements.
With Steph, no matter how difficult or insurmountable a problem might seem, he just would not accept that there was no solution.
He was decent, he was well thought, he considered his arguments, he put forward a strong case, as has been highlighted already.
In a few short years, he made a contribution that made him stand out as a politician of rare ability, with real clarity and vision for his community and his nation.
He had a depth of understanding that allowed him to soar to the heights of political thought. And Llywydd, we were both elected in 1999, and I don't think I've ever heard a more generous voice on fundamental matters.
He quite quickly became respected by so many around this chamber in all parties, and when he spoke, what he said was always incisive and thought-provoking. Steffan was always worth listening to.
No star, Steffan. Sleep well, my friend.
Diolch, Steffan. Diolch, bawb.